The real look of the S25 Ultra is here. We've seen many dummy pictures before, but now a secretly recorded video has been released and confirmed by a trusted leaker about this flagship smartphone from Samsung. The dummy units of the S25 Ultra suggested flat sides and rounded corners, but it was so rough that it was hard to believe they showed the real design. Now we have a real hands-on video of the S25 Ultra. The leaker gave it a funny title, calling it an S24 Ultra, but with rounded corners and a sleek flat metallic titanium finish, it's actually the S25 Ultra. Multiple leakers, including the ICE universe, confirmed it as the real look of the S25 Ultra. S25 Ultra is expected to be released with the following colors. It looks like this is the titanium black color option. The leaked video also settled a long debate about how the back of the S25 Ultra will look. There are rings on the back of the camera module, but they do not look exactly like those on the Z Fold 6. And once again, ICE Universe proved himself right. The back is much more aligned with the renders we have seen in the past. This is our first glimpse of the front with the display turned on. Samsung may not use the latest display to keep costs down, but the 6.86-inch flat screen sits almost on top of the frame, which is unique as most phones with flat displays have the frame going a bit into the display. One big change we know about is that while the corners are rounded, they are so slight that they still give the S25 Ultra a boxy appearance without sharp edges. After seeing this, do you still think the S24 Ultra was Samsung's best design, or has your opinion changed? Let me know in the comments below. One UI 7's widgets and designs are also rounded, and the ICE Universe also shared his thoughts in a post while testing One UI 7 animations, showing that they worked much better on the S24 Plus because of its rounded corners compared to the boxy design of the S24 Ultra. This is another major reason for the design shift of the S25 Ultra. Although there are some upgrades that raise the production price of the S25 Ultra, but reports say Samsung will not raise prices for two reasons. First, they already increased the price past last year, and second, Apple did not raise prices for its iPhone 16 lineup, so Samsung does not want its latest flagship to seem overpriced compared to competitors. So the pricing will look like this. Although we might see a price increase on the top-of-the-line S25 Ultra with 16 GB of RAM variant. But these are not the only upgrades that the S25 Ultra is going to have. You can watch all of it here. This is Techtics, signing off for now.